Are you ready to get the call from your old school, college inviting you to a reunion? It's about time for you to learn how to age slower, by protecting your brain, your looks and your health the right way. It's never too late. Here you will find many techniques and strategies that you can use to reverse damage to your cells, your brain and your joints. Too young? Now it's an awesome moment to worry about how you're going to look in the future. So, it's absolutely essential that you start to look after your health as soon as possible. Dear friend, getting older is inevitable. Until scientists discover a genetic fountain of youth, we all must come to terms with the fact that we are going to see our health deteriorate as we get older and count more candles on the cake with each passing year. Okay, so that last part isn't necessarily true. Most people give up on that once you reach about 5. But while it's inevitable that you are going to age, you do get a say in how you age. You get a say in how you get to look and feel and how healthy you are. Sure, some of this comes down to luck, but a whole lot of it comes down to the way you eat, your lifestyle and even your mental attitude. With my advice, you'll be able to learn how to get the very most from your body, your looks, your mind and even your career no matter what age you are. See that your body can and should last you your entire life, that aches, pains and damaged skin are not inevitable. Look and feel better immediately and protect you against changes that you might otherwise see in as little as a year. Learn the secret to aging gracefully whether you're a man or a woman and no matter what life throws your way. Learn to keep on thriving until your last days on this earth. For the younger readers, this is going to come down to how much foresight you have. How well you're able to look into the future and to plan for that, rather than doing what pleases you right now. And the list goes on and on. But before you make up your mind on whether this is something you should spend your time on, I want you to imagine a day in the future. This day might occur in a few years from now or in a few decades. But at some point, you are likely to get a call from your old school, college inviting you to a reunion. You can now turn up at that event and look fantastic. If you're single, then you'll have the pick of all the hottest men, women of your childhood. If you're not, you can flaunt your success and just how incredible you look. Or you can ignore my advice and live life for the moment. You can turn up to that same event and be the one who just looks tired. You can be the one who your old friends whisper about behind your back. They'll say, "Boy, that guy, lady has really let themselves go." Think ahead. https://bit.ly/ageslower369